Hello SMK Batu Lintang and welcome to New York City. Today I want to invite you to take a walk with me in New York City. We are right now in DUMBO. Let's go. DUMBO is a neighborhood in Brooklyn. It actually stands for down under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. And what you see behind me is the Manhattan Bridge. And this spot is actually a very popular Instagram spot. That's why you see a lot of tourists and random people taking photographs here. The name DUMBO was actually coined in 1980. And at that time, this place was a very affordable place to live. And the residents wanted to keep the developers away because if there's a lot of development, then people would not be able to afford to live here. And that's a process called gentrification. And it's been happening in many parts of New York City where the rich people come in and all the poor people or the original people that lived in the area, they get kicked out. This park is called Brooklyn Bridge Park, one of my favorite parks in New York City. In a moment you'll see why. And just like in every park during the summer, you get a lot of green grass space where people can just hang out, sunbathe, sit there and read. Or in the case of the Brooklyn Bridge Park, people take photographs with the Manhattan city skyline right behind me here. And that bridge that you see over there, that's the Brooklyn Bridge. Out the view. This little part of the Brooklyn Bridge Park is called Pebble Beach. It's where people can actually go down and touch the East River. You cannot do this anywhere else in the city. It's actually illegal to swim in the river. So this is the only chance you get to walk and touch the river. Check out that view. DUMBO was originally a ferry landing as well as an industrialized neighborhood. Lots of factories, lots of warehouses. I think people made boxes here. Back in the 1970s, they started to deindustrialize New York City. And so all these factories had to move out of the city. And what happened then was all of these warehouses, like the red brick one that you see behind me, they were abandoned. And for a while, this was a really cheap place to find a lot of space to work and live. So this was an artist colony where artists come to live rather inexpensively. But now, as you can see, the place is really fancy. And it's home to a lot of art galleries. It's home to a lot of upscale residential living. Like, they renovate a lot of these factories and a lot of these warehouses to make it loft living. This neighborhood in Brooklyn It's actually the Silicon Valley of New York City, and it's a haven for tech startups. Like, have you heard of Etsy? So a lot of those companies set up shop here. And because of these people, they've really made the neighborhood really, really expensive. So this neighborhood is actually the 4th richest neighborhood in the whole of New York City. And this is Brooklyn's most expensive neighborhood. I don't know about you, but I don't think I can afford to live here at all. So let's take a walk. This is a great spot for wedding photography as well, as you can see. We are right now at Brooklyn Bridge Park. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello to Malaysia.
Hi, Malaysia.
Tourists. Behind me here is actually, right now it's an ice cream company, the Brooklyn Bridge Ice Cream Company, a Brooklyn ice cream or something like that. Don't get your ice cream there. It's really, really overpriced. It's pretty much the same ice cream that you can get in the supermarket. This building was originally a firehouse back when this area was a pier. And my favorite part of the park is actually this little boat behind me. As you can see, it's called Barge Music. So this is New York's only concert hall on water. They play classical music in this boat, and I think once a week they have a free show where you can go in and you don't have to pay anything, or you pay as you like. Inside there, facing Manhattan, is actually a really, really big glass window. So you get to look at the city while you listen to music. It's an amazing place. You should all come and visit. Anywho, let's keep going. I'm not sure if you can see it, but right over here is the Statue of Liberty. Pretty cool. So in this summer, I think on Thursday afternoons or something, you actually get to go kayaking for free down this part of the harbor. And over there is a skating rink where people go to skate. I think in the winter you probably get ice skating. Right now it's just roller skating. In the summer you also get free Shakespeare in the Park productions here, as well as free movies on Thursday nights. So this park is really a gathering place. I guess I will stop here. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I've actually got a few questions and I hope that you will talk about it with your classmates, or you can even talk about it with your teachers in class if you like. Question number one, where is your favorite district in your city or your state? So this is DUMBO. It's a neighborhood, a district in Brooklyn, New York City. Question number two, what makes that part of the city or state so special? And number three, what can you do to improve the area that you are currently living in? How can you make the place where you live more desirable and more sustainable for the future? So I'll leave you with those three questions to think about, and I hope that you will continue to study hard and keep practicing your English. Hope to meet all of you in person one day. Ta-ta.